The Mad Max style snake knot paracord bracelet. If you want to see how to make it, go check this tutorial. Hello guys, today we will be making a paracord bracelet with the Mad Max style and the snake knot knotting style. So that means you will not need any extra pieces to make the closure. It will be like this one on my wrist, the Mad Max style, but the snake knot. You just need to have 260 centimeters of paracord for this particular tutorial. As always, we are starting by cutting these extra ropes inside the paracord. After you cut them, you just need to use your jet lighter. After that, you just need to find the center of your cord and start making your snake knots like this. The loop here should be real small so that the cords just fits perfectly inside it. After the first one, I'll make the other snake knots. Don't forget to fix them after each knot. Back again, my bracelet is almost completed. I just need to measure it to my wrist at this point just to make sure that it fits well. I think that's good for me. And now I will use my figs. You need to pass your figs through this little loop here. This is first one. After that, you just need some space to make the stopper knot. You need to measure it on your hand. This space I think is fine for me. I'll just make a simple stopper knot. Yeah, it's fitting my hand. After you make the knot, cut the extra cords and burn it. That's it. Our Mad Max style snake knot paracord is ready. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. It looks cool, I believe. Here is the Mad Max style cobra knot, and here is the Mad Max style snake knot paracord bracelet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Have a good day.